I like it when you're doing something that works. And
yeah, so
I like how you present it.
Yeah.
And the fact that, you know what you're doing, and the fact that you're helping explain that to other people. There's a lot of people that wouldn't take their time.
The session will now begin.
The mindset is the basis upon everything that we do is win-win, right? That's the basis. That's the foundation.
Yeah.
And so first and foremost, you got to understand what your win is. And your win is going to be what? You want to pick up you want to pick up some properties and build relationships in a way that's going to provide you with good passive income and good positive cash flow. Or you know, I'd buy it from you. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Hey, let's talk about that, Jonathan. Of course. So you know, that's the possession and control. That's acquiring. And then so you become an investigator, and so you already know what your win is. And then when you're talking to people as an investigator, you're investigating really what their win is. Like what are their real needs? Like what is it they need? And when you understand what their needs are, and if you're able to satisfy their needs without having any major conflicts in your win, and you can get them their win without having a major conflict in your win, boom. Now it opens up everything. All right, so here we get, so this is what we do. So St. Petersburg, Florida, right? We looked at St. Petersburg, and then we're gonna go to stays, right? Click on stays and see what it looks like out there. So you're gonna get this map over here. You see this map, right?
Yep.
All right. So you look at the map, and in the map you're seeing all the properties, right? You're seeing all these listings at St. Petersburg.
Yep.
Right. And so now, right where you're now at $35 to $40, you're gonna be right there, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna be right there, right? And then, so what I do, here's the math. So the math is, if you got a 2-bedroom that's at, let's say $35 a night times 2. That's $70 a night for the 2-bedroom, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna multiply that by 30 nights. $2,100 is the max you're gonna make. Now that's on single occupancy. When I do, you know, that $35 is just showing single occupancy. When someone comes in with 2, based on the way we set up our Airbnb, automatically they get hit with a $15 a night fee, right?
Oh, okay, yeah.
So most people, about 20% of the people that book add an additional guest and pay the extra $15. So, but we're gonna stick with the low number because we want to be conservative, right?
Yep.
So $2,100 is the max that you're gonna make on this property, right? So what I typically do is I go times 30 to 40%. So at 30%, that's only $630. Let's go divided by 0.3. So $2,100 times 0.4 equals $840. That means that the most I can pay for that rental is $840. Like I can't pay more than $840 because I want to make sure at 40% my rent is paid.
Yep.
Right. And
so if you have a bad month, you're not paying anything out of pocket.
Right. And you can do 40% in your sleep. Like you can be almost dead and you're going to do 40%. Yeah. Right. So at 50, 60, 70, you're making money, and at 70, 75, 80, you're killing them. Jonathan, you got a gold mine there, man, because it doesn't look like, it doesn't look like, it looks like there's just a few people out there that are just taking advantage of this thing. And because listen, most people that do Airbnb are people that just rent out a room in their house. That's most people, right? Yeah. Not everybody does what we do. Very few people do what we do, and so so you have a golden opportunity. I hope you take advantage of it.
Yeah. Oh, definitely. I'm on it, and it changed exactly what I was gonna do completely. So I like it when you're doing something that works. And
so
I like how you present it.
Yeah.
And the fact that, you know what you're doing, and the fact that you're helping explain that to other people. There's a lot of people that wouldn't take their time. The money that we're paying you is priceless compared to,
Listen,
you know.
like I said, the beauty of it is I don't, you know, I mean, my passive income